Have you ever created an object and then immediately had to write 5 lines of code just to set it up properly? That's not clean code. That's a missing constructor. In this video, you'll learn how constructors in C# automatically set up objects the moment they're created, so your code is cleaner, safer, and easier to use. Let's start with why constructors exist in the first place. Objects don't magically know how they should start. Without constructors, every object has to be manually set up after it's created. That leads to repeated setup code, forgetting important values, objects existing in broken states. Constructors solve all of this. They make sure every object starts life correctly. What a constructor is: clear explanation. A constructor is a special method that runs automatically when an object is created. You don't call it yourself. C# calls it for you. A constructor always has the same name as the class, has no return type, runs once when the object is created. Its job is to initialize the object, breaking down a basic constructor. Let's look at a simple constructor example. The class name and constructor name match exactly. Inside the constructor, you assign starting values to fields. The moment you create an object from this class, the constructor runs automatically. You don't need to remember to set anything manually. This guarantees consistency. Constructors with parameters. Why they're powerful. Sometimes, you don't want the same starting values every time. That's where constructor parameters come in. Parameters let you pass data into the object at the moment it's created. This allows custom setup, less repeated code, more flexible objects. Each object can start with different values while using the same class. Step by step, what happens when an object is created? When you use the new keyword, memory is allocated. The constructor runs. Fields are assigned values. The object becomes usable. This happens instantly and automatically. Understanding this flow helps you avoid many beginner mistakes. Why constructors make code cleaner. Without constructors, objects can be half initialized. Setup code is scattered everywhere. With constructors, objects are always valid. Setup logic lives in one place. Code becomes easier to read and maintain. This is how professional C# developers structure their programs. Real-world example. User profile. Imagine a user profile object. Every user must have a name, an age. A constructor ensures those values are always set. You can't accidentally create an incomplete user. That's the real value of constructors. Common beginner mistakes. A common mistake is thinking constructors are normal methods. Another is forgetting that constructors run automatically. Some beginners also try to add return types, which constructors never have. Once you understand these rules, constructors become very intuitive. You now understand what constructors are, when they run, why they exist, how they keep objects safe and consistent. If this video helped, subscribe, share it, and comment what topic you want next. Next, we'll build on this by learning multiple constructors and this keyword.